warm up the ragu a little bit and add a little water maybe. Stick the noodles in, and then a little bit of butter and a little bit of oil. And then we're gonna agitate it and then make the ragu hug the noodle, and you start to thicken it up around the noodle. See how this is? It started to thicken up a little bit, yeah, but it's right in the middle, like not really thick, not actually hugging the noodle yet, but also not a thin sauce. And then, as always, remove it from the heat and add the cheese. And then we do the tossing 30 times. Then the sauce will be nice and thick around the noodle. And then we plate. There you go.